Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see about the Python library Numpy. Numpy stands for numerical Python and it's a core library for numeric and scientific computing. And this Numpy consists of multi-dimensional array objects and a collection of routines for processing those arrays. And then these Numpy is useful for mathematical as well as the scientific related computing values of array objects. Let's begin. So first of all, we'll see about the single dimensional array. So this one is the import numpy as np, and then for error is equal to np.array of open brackets, close the bracket, square brackets, and then 20 comma 30, close the square brackets, and then this one error. Okay, this is array. Okay, and then we can see the multi-dimensional array. So multi-dimensional is like an n1 is equal to np dot array of 10 comma 20 comma 30 40 comma 50 comma 60 n1. Run this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, and then we'll see for the zeros. n1 is equal to np dot zeros of some 3 comma 4. So there is a 3 rows as well as the 4 columns, and here n1. Let's run this one. Yeah, here it is. Okay, and then coming to the full command. So here error is equal to np dot full of some 3 comma 4, close the brackets, and then we give the full value. Let's give the 10 value, close the brackets, and then here also we have to close the bracket. The 0 that should be removed, and then let's execute here is equal to, here the value is 10, and then 3 rows and 4 columns. Let's execute this one. Yeah, here it is, and then these are 3 rows, and then here it is the 4 columns, and the value is 10. So it fulfilled with the 10 value in all the rows and columns. So this is the full. And then coming to the range, it's an arrange, a range. So here error is equal to np.arrange of give 10 comma 30, close the brackets. So here, like arrange, it's like a random in a Python. So like it will arrange to starts from 10, and then it will give 29. After 29 it will give the values. So let's see, because always the arrange gives n minus 1 value at its last value. So let's execute this one. Here it is. Here it is. Last value is 29, and it started with 10. This arrange. Okay, and also other option in arrange is like an error is equal to np dot arrange of some 10 comma, let's give the 101 comma, or let's give the 201 comma. So give the difference between those values 20. Just give. Okay, let's execute this one. I'm running this one. Yeah, here it is. So the values is like a difference between those is 20, and then it gives a 10 to 200. It's like a 201. Okay, it gives the random values of those, and then error is equal to np dot range of So let's give the 100 comma 201 comma 10 values. Okay, let's execute this one. It's okay. Here it is. Okay, 110 120 130 140 150 160 170 180 190 100. So here the difference is like 10 is the difference here, and then here the 20 is the difference, and here the 10 is the difference. Okay, let's give the difference between 10, or let's give the difference between 50. Let's for example 50. Yeah, 10, 60, 110 and 160 is the difference of 50, and then 10 to 100, 200. Okay, and then the random. So here is equal to np dot random dot for random we use a randint function, randint of some 50 comma 100 comma 10 close the brackets. Yeah. So what it will give is so the 50 to 100 it will give you some random values of 10. Yeah. Okay, here it is. So these are the random values in between the 50 and 100. So on the for the random we give so the numpy dot random dot randint of the values, first value, second value, and the differentiate value is 10. Okay, so that is so how many values that we need to get at the end of the array. So that will give those values. So for example we need 10 values. It will give the 50 to 100 the 10 values, and then if we get the 20 values it will give the 20 different values, 20 different random values between the 50 and 100. So this is the random function and randint function. Okay, and so let's see the shape of this particular array. Here are the shape. Okay, let's see, it's a 20. Okay, the value of random value is 20, and then if we see this shape 11. Okay, and then intersect function. So this will intersect 1D. We'll see in Numpy Python. So let's see that one as well. And then a is equal to np dot array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 close the square brackets as well as open brackets, and then b is equal to np dot array of so some open square brackets, and then 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9, and then close the square brackets as well as the open brackets, and then here we will see the intersect option, like that np dot intersect 1D of a comma b close the brackets, and then we will see a value is array of this one. Let's c is equal to this one, and then give the c value. Let's execute this one. Okay, by intersection common values, for the intersection we need some of the common values that present in both the values. For example, 1 2 3 4 is a value, and then 6 7 8 9 is a value for 1 2 3 4 is a value for a, and then 6 7 8 9 is a value for b, and then here we don't have any common values in between these two arrays, so we are not getting any value. The array value is getting empty. And then now if we change, for example, the 4 comma, let's give it's an 2 value, and then 4 comma 2 is common in between these two arrays. If we execute this one, so 4 comma 2 will be the value, output value of those arrays. Okay, here it is 2 comma 4 is the value. See, this is intersect. And then if you see set difference between 1D, set difference between the two arrays, like now let's see d is equal to np dot set difference. Set difference is one of the function in NumPy. Set difference 1D of a comma b. Okay, a comma b, and then close the brackets and then give the d value as an option. Let's see what is the difference between these two arrays. Okay, yeah, 1 comma 3 is the difference. Okay, so 1 comma 3, array of 1 comma 3 is the difference between a comma b. 1 2 3 4, and then 6 7 4 2 is the difference, and then 1 comma 3. Okay, the difference between these two is 1 comma 3. Okay, and I wrote this one as an a comma b. Now we will see comma b comma a. So for example, e is equal to np dot set difference 1d comma b comma a, close the brackets. Okay, 6 comma 7. Okay, so here the value I gave is an a comma b, a comma b, and then we saw with the difference between the one dimension, like it took the value from a array, and then if we give the b comma a as a set difference of 1d, so it's taking the difference from a b value. So actually the b value is having 6 7. The 6 7 is not present in the a array value, so the 6 7, it took a 6 7 if I give the b comma a, and then 1 2 is not present in the b value, so it took 1 comma 3, because the 1 comma 3 is not present in the b array value, so here it took array of 1 comma 3 as well as the 6 comma 7, 1 comma 3 for a comma b, and then 6 comma 7 from b comma a. So these are the difference between these set difference 1d of ab and set difference 1d of b comma a. Okay, and then we'll see the sum value. Okay, and then here let's take those a comma b values, and then now f is equal to np dot sum of, okay, sum of open brackets as well as the square brackets, comma a comma b, close the square brackets, and then close the open brackets as well as this one, and then let's execute this one with f value. Okay, so this is np dot int 64 of 29. Okay, 29, that is 2 plus 3 6 plus 10, and then 6 7. Okay, that's 29. Okay, 13 17 18 19. Okay, right, yeah, 29 is the value. So that is 2 plus 3 plus 4, 6 plus 4 10, and then 6 plus 7 10 plus, and then 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 4 17, and then this is 19, and then 10 plus 19, that's the 29. So this is the 29 is the value. Okay, this is the sum value. Now we'll see with the mean value. Mean sum a r is equal to np dot array open brackets, and then open this one 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40, close the square brackets as well as open brackets, and then here np dot array. Okay, so here np dot mean of ARR. Let's take array value, execute this one. Okay, so this is the mean value in between 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40, in between 20 and 30, taking 20 and 30 is an mean value, mid value, and then in between those differences 20 to 30 is 25. Okay, 25.0 np dot float of 25.0 is the mean value for this array. And then let's see the median value as well. np dot median of ARR. Okay, let's run this one. Yeah, the median value is also 25. The mean value is 25 and the median value is 25. And then here let's see with an n plus 1 value or ARR plus 1 value. That is here we got ARR is equal to np dot array of 10 comma 20 comma, and then we will see ARR is equal to ARR plus 1. So let's see the ARR value here on this one. Yeah, here it is. 10 plus 1 is 111, 20 plus 1 is 21, and the 30 plus 1 is 31, and the 40 plus 1 is 41. And also we'll see ARR into some 2. Okay, let's execute with the 2. So ARR is equal to ARR into 2, then run with the ARR. Here it is. Okay, so 2 here. Now the error value is 11, 21, 31 and 41. So this one is multiplying with the 2, 22, and then 42, and then 62, and then 82. So these are the values. So let's see with ARR. Okay, 22, 42, and then 62, and then 82. These are the values. And then let's see with the standard deviation value. Just ready. Okay, standard deviation value. And then this one, let's take the value of ARR is equal to np dot array of 10 comma 30 comma 40 comma 60, and then close brackets, and then this one closed, and then here we need to open the square brackets, and then here let's see ARR dot std of ARR. So std is in standard deviation value, and then here let's see, let's run this one. Yeah, so here it is. So this is not an array. This one should be np dot standard deviation of ARR. ARR is the value, array value, and then np is a numpy dot standard deviation of array. Let's run this one. Okay, yeah, this is the standard deviation values. Okay, 10, 30, 40, 60 is an standard deviation values of array. And then transpose is one of the function in numpy value. Let's see that one. Numpy dot transpose of ARR, close the brackets. Let's see this one. Okay, the same. So the transpose of array is 10 comma 30 comma 40 and 60, the same values. Now let's see with the numpy matrix. Okay, numpy matrix. Let's take the values like n is equal to np numpy dot array, open brackets. So let's take the 3-dimensional array. So like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Yeah, 3-dimensional, just some 3-dimensional arrays, 3 or 3. So and then we'll close square bracket 1, and then comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, and this one close this brackets, and then some 7 comma 8 comma 9, close this brackets, and then close the open brackets as well. And then n, if you see the n value, it will give these. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5 comma 6, and then 7 comma 8 comma 9. So here if you see like n of 2, you know, n of 2. So always the n of 2, it will array will start always with the value of 0. So the first row is on 0 1 2 3, and then this side from left to bottom, you know, this one also the 0 1 2 3 0 1 2. Okay, so if you see the n of 2, it will give the column of second column, you know, 3 6 9. Let's see. So this one is n of 2. Okay, n of 1. So this one, okay, let's see here n of 2. Okay, here also it's taking as a value, okay, 2, n of 2, n of 0, yeah, n of 0 taking 0 3 0 3, okay. Upon n of 2 should be 7 8 9. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I did a mistake actually here. Only that 2 square brackets that need to be closed, and then here one, and then here, okay, here one. Okay, this need to be closed, and then I'll see the n value, and then this one n of 0 is 1 2 3, and then n of 2 should be 7 8 9. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so here the value is a 0 1 2 from vertical to down, from top to bottom, you know. So 0 1 2 3 7 8 9 is value of n of 2, n of second array, and then we'll see n of open square brackets, and then colon comma 2. It will take, you know, colon comma 2, and then close the square brackets, you know. It will take from left to right. Okay, from the left to right value. So it will take as a 0 1 2 value, and then 3 6 9 is a value for colon comma 2 value. Yeah, 3 6 9 is a value, correct. Then n of open the square brackets, colon comma 1. If we give the 2 5 8 is a value for this one. Okay, so brackets, and then this one 1 2 3, colon comma 1. So it will give what the value, it's give is a 2 5 8 value. Okay, yeah, 2 5 8 value, correct. And now we will see with the v stack, h stack, and the column stack values. Let's say start. Okay, so for example, a is equal to np dot array of open brackets, and then open the square brackets, comma 10 comma 30 comma 40, and then close the square brackets, and then close this one, as well as so I gave the b value. Okay, so I gave the c value is equal to np dot array array of so let's open the square brackets as well as the 40 comma 50 comma 60, close the square brackets as well as the open brackets, and then here we'll see v stack, that is equal to, for example, so t is equal to np dot v stack stsk v stack of so I took the b value as well as the c value. Let's give the b value comma b comma c, so close those two brackets, and then t value. So let's run this one. Yes, here it is. So the t value should be the 10, 30 and then 40 and then 40, 50 and 60 values for the v stack. So this is the value, and then if we change the values, like so for example t is equal to np dot v stack. So I gave the b and c before, and then now I will give the c comma b as a value. Let's see, c comma b, close those brackets, and then let's see, and then let's run this one. Yeah, here it is. So the before I gave the b comma c value, b value is a 10, 30, 40 and the c value is a 40, 50, 60. There is no change in between that before. So 10, 30, 40 and then 40, 50 and 60. And now if I change the values of a c comma b, and then that is equal to numpy dot v stack of a c comma b, c comma b. So a c value is a 40, 50, 60, it came up, and then the b value is a 10, 30, 40, it came down. So these are the difference between the v stack of the column change. And now in the same ways we'll see the head stack. So this is the horizontal stack, and then let's see that h is equal to np dot h stack of b comma c value. Okay, let's see h. Yeah, actually this h stack and then v stacks, this should have the two open brackets and two open brackets to close. So can I execute this one? Yeah, right. So this is the horizontal value. So b comma c, this one is concatenated like 10 comma 30 comma 40 and then 40 comma 50 comma 60, and then the same if I give the h is equal to np dot h stack of c comma b. So these values will come like an c value 40, 50, 60 as the first, and then b value 10, 30, 40 after the value, after the c value. So h, so execute this one. Yeah, here it is, 10, 40, 50, 60, 10, 30, 40. Okay, these are the values. These are the scenario for a v stack as well as h stack in a column wise. And then there is also another scenario. Is there another inbuilt function in numpy is there, like there is a column stack. Let's see the column stack. cs is equal to column underscore stack of b comma c, close the brackets, and then here it is also close the brackets. Okay, close this one, close 2 times open brackets and then 2 times close the brackets, and then cs. Let's execute this one. Let's run this one. Yeah, c is equal to np dot column stack. Yeah, this should be np dot column stack. Yes, it is. Okay, so actually before we saw the horizontal stack and then vertical stack, so like that, and then now we are seeing the column stack. So here the 2 columns and then 3 rows, 2 columns and 3 rows. Okay, 3 cross 2 dimension this one. So b comma 3, and then so the value of the b is 10, 30, 40 is the value, and the 40, 50, 60 is the c value, and then the same base. Okay, cs is equal to np dot column stack, np dot column underscore stack of so before I gave the b comma c, and then now I will give the c comma b, close the open brackets, and then cs. Let's run this one. Yeah, here it is. Okay, the c value came 40, 50, 60 as the first value, and then 10, 30, 40 column 2 value, which is the b value. Okay, yes, and then other important scenario in numpy is sorting the value, like ascending order to descending order, or descending order to ascending order, like that. Let's sort the value. Sort the values. Okay, sum error is equal to np numpy dot array of open the square brackets, comma. So let's give some 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 0, close the square brackets and close the open brackets. And now let's see the sort value, that is equal to a is equal to, so for example a is equal to np dot sort of the particular array value a or r. So let's see a, if we see this one, it will give some like so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, like 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so like that it will sort in an order manner. So let's run this one. Let's see here. So this one is the sorted value, array of 0 2 3 4 5 6 4 6 8 9. This is the value for the sorted. And now array iteration. Okay, array iteration. Let's see this one. ARR is equal to np dot array of, open the brackets and then open the square brackets and 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, close the square brackets as well as the open brackets. And then here for x in ARR print x. Let's see now. Okay, think this one has to come here and then this one has to come here. Indentation, yeah, this one is the indentation value here. So the for loop x in array. Okay, all the array values that are present in x, and then we are printing the x value. So 1 2 3 4 is the value. So then array joins. So with the help of the concatenate function, okay, we will join both the arrays, like let's see that one as well. Concatenate some array joins. Okay, let's say ARR1 is equal to some np dot array of open brackets and then open square brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, and then let's give close the brackets as well as the open brackets. Let's take this one as 4. Okay, so and then array 2, ARR2 is equal to np dot array of, open the square brackets some 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9, and then close the square brackets as well as the open brackets and then close this one. Here some ARR3, let's take an ARR3, that is equal to np dot concatenate of ARR1 comma ARR2, close the brackets as well as the close other brackets as well. And then here we need to open both the open brackets, and then we need to close both the open brackets as well. And then ARR3, so we are concatenated both the ARR1 as well as the ARR2. So let's see the ARR3 value, that is equal to np dot concatenate of ARR1 comma ARR2. Just run this one. Concatenate. Okay, ARR2, ARR3. Okay, so I think we need to print this one. ARR1 comma ARR2. Here is the mistake here. So here this one has to be closed, and then this one has to be closed, and then let's run this one. Yes, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 3 4 5 6 8 9 is the values. Okay, these both are concatenated, these both are concatenated, ARR1 as well as ARR2, and then we got the output as 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 3 4 5 6 8 9. These are the values. Okay, and then the dot value in numpy, dot as a dot. Okay, just take as an a is equal to some np dot array of open the open brackets as well as open the square brackets as well, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Let's take this these values and then close the square brackets as well, close the open brackets as well. Here I will take the two-dimensional values, and then okay, comma, okay, and then 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, 6 comma 7 comma 8 value, and then close square brackets and then close other square bracket as well, because the two square brackets are open. And then here, and then take the b value, some b value, that is equal to np dot array of open the square brackets. And here also I am taking the two-dimensional So 6 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 8 close the square brackets comma, and then this one 8 comma 9 comma 4 comma 3, and then close the square brackets 2 times, and then close this one, and then here. So the value is should be a dot of b. Okay, let's see. Some z is equal to, okay, a dot of b let's see. I'm cutting this one, a value, running this one, and then giving control V. Let's see the b value as a b, and this one as well, and then so the a value is 1 2 3 4, and then 5 6 7 8, and then the b value is 6 5 7 8, and 8 9 4 3. So now the a, we got the a value as well as the b value, and then a dot of b. So let's see. Don't, it's not a don't, it's not a dot of b. Okay,